Are you tired of experiencing power outages and being left in the dark? Say goodbye to those inconveniences and embrace uninterrupted power supply with a whole home generator. Houston is no stranger to extreme weather events such as hurricanes and thunderstorms. During such times, having a backup power generator becomes invaluable. It ensures that critical appliances like your air conditioning, refrigerator, medical equipment, communication devices, and security systems continue to operate, keeping you and your loved ones safe and comfortable. At the same time, there are many homes and communities around Houston that have water wells. Without electricity, the water well pumps will not function. Unity Services in Houston is a team of licensed and insured electricians you can trust with all of your generator installations. Call today to schedule your complimentary consultation and take control of your power supply by investing on a standby generator that will bring you peace of mind.